Ever wondered why your knuckles crack? That pop isn't your bones rubbing together, it's actually gas bubbles bursting. Inside your joints, there's a fluid called synovial fluid, which helps things move smoothly. When you stretch or bend your fingers, the pressure inside drops, forming tiny gas bubbles. When those bubbles collapse, they create that cracking sound. And no, cracking your knuckles won't cause arthritis. It's completely harmless. So go ahead, crack away. Just don't overdo it, or your fingers might get tired. Why do our knuckles crack?